Here, Jem. Jem, will you cut up these grapes for him? Rooster in the kitchen. Gemma. Good boy, Cricket.
He ate it. Whole. About whole.
He's a nice boy.
You're so good.
He's eating Lucky Charms.
I want more grapes. What's this? I want more grapes.
Hi, Cricket. I know, you want some more? Should I get you some corn or something? Say hi, big boy.
Cricket, you're so pretty. Look at how gorgeous he is.
I know. He's
Look
very
how
shiny.
big and fat his butt is. Look at his tail.
His tail's green and black now. Come on, Cricket.
Cricket, you got a
Ronnie,
big face.
why don't you give me a couple?
Look at
You
how
got a couple more
big
grapes?
you are. I got one grape.
All right, you have to kind of hold on to it or cut it up for him or something. Here he comes.
Cricket is coming up behind you.
Come on, Cricket.
Come on, Cricket.
He's afraid to walk on the slippery surface. He's being really careful.
I cut it. Yay. Come on, Cricket, what's
Just
this?
be careful of that knife.
Cricket, what is this? He just
No,
ate it.
Gemma, don't do that. Cricket, tick, tick. Gemma, don't do that.
Oh.
I'm telling you, if he gets that grape, he's gonna. I mean that's a little big for him, Ronan.
Yeah, but he ate.
Yeah. Did you see him spin it?
Oh, you're so
Ronan,
pretty.
why are you walking on top of him?
Hold on, I'm gonna make it just so pretty.
Okay, bring him over here and cut him. Jem, please don't give him that ring. He'll take
I
it.
wasn't gonna do.
What's
Can I just bring the whole one?
No,
Look how long
just bring a
his
couple.
nails are.
I know, it's crazy.
You're so pretty.
I would love if he would crow on this. Wouldn't that be great?
Mom, look, do you see the feather right here that's about to come out?
Yeah.
I got 3 huge ones.